Today we will be showing you how to install a base unit line card style Juniper EX series switch. This video assumes that you have a complete switch to install, including fans, power supplies, routing engines, line cards, and console cable. If you bought this unit from the Rocket platform, the chassis will be boxed separately from all of the other components. Unbox the bare chassis and then slide it into the rack. Now you can install all line cards, routing engines, switch fabrics, and power supplies. Before plugging in any cables, attach your console cable to the switch in the console port of the routing engine, which is usually labeled CON, and also to whatever terminal hardware you will be using to configure your switch. Open a terminal session with settings of 9600 baud rate, 8 start bits, 1 stop bit, and parity and flow control options both set to none. Plug in all data and network cables to the switch, and lastly attach power to the switch and flip your power supplies to the on position if applicable. Go to the terminal and observe the boot process of the switch. When you arrive at the login screen, you will log in as root. There is no default password for root access. Now you can set the root password and proceed to configure the switch as needed for your environment. If you have any issues with your EX Series line card base unit install, please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will assist you.